Hey my munchies, Epic Munchies here, aka Charlene Not. We are doing a mukbang and today I've got a McDonald's. We have got a Coke Zero, which is so good. And then I've got a quarter pounder that I haven't had in ages and some chips, and this is a medium meal. Just what I wanted. But I always eat my chips first and then I go for the burger. So I had McDonald's ages, and my husband's in over there just having a barbecue chicken legend. He's got a Coke, well I've got a Coke Zero. Which is good. I'm trying to say, see him. So good. Normally I have sauce, but we didn't get any sauce. And I'm just happy with no sauce. If I actually got sauce, it'd probably have to be curry or sweet and sour or barbecue. I love barbecue. Barbecue is so good. Next time if I do have a McDonald's in the future, I'll probably go for nuggets. My hair's a bit different today. It's a bit thingy. That's because I put some rollers in it. It's actually given me a ton of volume, but I can actually just do that and see that. It's just so good. I like it. My husband eats his burger first while I eat my chips first. Sometimes McDonald's chips are really salty. So what have you been up to, guys? Hope you've been right. It looks like I'm not in the shot properly. There we go, sitting up some more to be in the shot properly. And Tanning's Saturday. I've been doing exercise today. I'm going to do it on Tuesday and Wednesday. And tomorrow. I'm having a bath. I've had a bath today, but I'm having another bath tomorrow. Which is a Friday night. So I can then tan tomorrow morning with U-Town. U-Town turbo mix is so good. I like it. Because you haven't tried U-Town turbo mousse, Chairman was saying it smells good. They do have another one which is bergamot and something. And Calendaloo. That one's really good, but I like the Chairman for some reason. I did test out of town, and it was Bondi Sands town. It's alright. I think it's special. I'm not so much about that town, just Bondi Sands, isn't it? But the Bondi Sands moisturiser and body wash are really good. The moisturiser is so good, it's so nice and soft because I put it on today with no tan, but I'm going to have to get another one of them. Body wash is right. Haven't used it enough. The moisture is so good. It comes out a little runny and it feels like a lotion, but it's so smooth and you get a nice shine from it. Like when I had it on my thing right here, and I had like a shine on me. Which is so good. Now I can have my chips first because the saltier your food is, the more you want to drink. I did a video don't know if it's gone up. It was about me eating during. I don't know if I've lost the footage of that. Or I haven't, it needs to go up. And if that's the case, then I can put it up. Oh, Monday. Was it last Monday? I did a big chaser because it $1.99. And I'd pay $1.99 for a big toasty. Oh yeah. So I've got my thing. Oh, I've got onions. I love myself some onions. I love to have onions. I don't care if I have lots of onions or just have some onions. I had about 2 gherkins and that's about it. But I do have that, so no quarter pounder. Ah, the bun's, it's a nice bun there, and then kind of it's like sticking out. And don't those things at McDonald's I absolutely love. They're really nice. However, do you remember you used to get this burger a lot? Do you remember you used to get the quarter pounder a lot?
Yeah.
I don't know what it is about McDonald's onions, but they hit differently. I'm enjoying this. Better than cheeseburger. Because I had the cheeseburger a little while ago with my husband and it didn't hit the same, did it, baby?
No.
But this is hitting everything. It's hitting everything. So how are you through this day? I'll be alright. Oh yeah. I got the COVID vaccination on March the 6th. So it's been 2 weeks. So basically they vaccinate you with it. I did it in my left hand, in my left arm. And basically they vaccinate you and then for 2 weeks you're not protected until after 2 weeks. So after 2 weeks has passed, you'll be protected. So it's been 2 weeks and I'm, you know, like half protected. But if you've got the 2 doses, you'll be fully protected. So I'm only half. All that happened to me was when I got the vaccine, was I went into a quiet place to do it because I was very nervous. And I didn't even feel it going because I had blood tests so many times and blood tests don't bother me. I just don't feel it going in. So basically, people say you get really ill, you get really sick and you're not very well with it. And they do say it depends on how it reacts to your body. So I had it in. The thing about it is my husband kept leaning on it by accident. Didn't you, Dan?
Hmm?
You kept leaning on my arm.
Yeah. So.
That's right, he kept leaning on it. So what happened, it was a bit tender from where it's doing now. Plus, I had a bit of the redness there and a bit of the bump on my arm. I'll just say, if you have any symptoms, call your doctors. Is that okay? I'll call my doctors. She'll ask me some bunch of questions and she goes, no, it should be fine. Which goes, if it doesn't, the bump doesn't go away in about a week or something like that, and the redness still persists, find again where you have to come in. And it's like, okay. But no, the bump went away. I go around my burger, around the outside, because I only get gherkins last. Yeah, I had my other one 4 weeks, so in 4 weeks time I get a text to say, by the way, it's either 4 weeks or 3 weeks time, I get a test. No, I get a text from my doctor saying, you need a second dose done. Which will be fine. I think I might put rollers in my hair forever because I do actually like how it's looking. It looks so good. Don't know why I'm liking Coke Zero in my mouth. The gherkin's coming now. But if you've had the vaccine, let me know how it went for you. And if you ask them, why do I get the vaccine if I'm only 33? I have an underlying health condition, which is basically no thyroid. So I take tablets for the rest of my life. I do have a scar around about here. Right, how it's done. That's what I got. My husband hasn't had this yet, so we're waiting for him to get it. Some people think that if they've got vaccinated, they can go away on holiday, and that's not the case. That really isn't. And I was like, what? I'm not getting this vaccine to go on holiday. No way. I don't want to get a vaccine and go straight on holiday with it. You know what I mean? We can't fly anywhere anyway. It's only for a personal reason or emergency or something like that. Like people say we're coming out on the 21st of June. Like, we're coming out on 21st of June. I'm not holding that against it. I'm not keeping my hopes up because basically I don't want to keep my hopes up because I know if you get your hopes up too high, something will happen if I'm crashing back down. Apart from the McDonald's I had, I'm eating very clean and healthy. Apart from McDonald's. I just have some crisps. I'm actually really full now. And that's saying something. But the exercises do is basically the Charlotte Cross brilliant belly bits, and that's really good. But yeah, other than that, that's about it. So I'm going now. Hopefully you did enjoy this little mukbang. Hopefully I will see you back for the next one, and I will see you guys later. Bye.